What if I told you that just a handful of one element could power your car for thousands of years? Imagine filling your car once and never needing fuel again. Not for 10, not for 100, but for 15,000 years. That is a secret element on Earth that makes petrol look useless. But here is why we cannot use it. Have you ever heard of uranium? It is one of the most powerful elements found on Earth. Scientists say that if you could somehow use uranium as fuel for cars, a teeny amount would be enough to keep a vehicle running for over 15,000 years without ever refueling. Sounds unbelievable, right? But here is the twist. Despite being so powerful, no country uses uranium in cars. And the reason is shocking. Uranium is highly radioactive. It doesn't just produce heat, it gives off dangerous nuclear particles that can harm living beings. In fact, when placed inside a special device called a cloud chamber, you can literally see the radioactive particles moving out of it. Another issue, its boiling point is over 4000 degrees Celsius, making it extremely difficult to handle as regular fuel. So yes, while uranium has more energy than petrol, it comes with massive risk. And if we tried to use it everywhere, uranium would quickly disappear from our planet. That's why, instead of fueling cars, uranium is mostly reserved for nuclear power plant and scientific research. So next time you complain about petrol prices, just remember, things could have been way scarier if we were driving nuclear powered car. If you love Science Explained in simple words, make sure to subscribe for more mind-blowing facts like this one.